In task 3, you're going to be investigating all of the sedimentary and metamorphic rocks in the Glasshouse Mountains, and they're all these ones that are down the side here. So here's our Glasshouse Mountains picture. I'm going to try and avoid touching the screen where the links are. All of these little guys here, your sandstone, siltstone, claystone, no conglomerate in Glasshouse Mountains, coal, shale, they're all of your sedimentary rocks, and you're going to be doing some research to find what sort of processes make these stones, okay? What they came from, their parent rock is very important, because sandstone, well, something had to happen to make the sand, to make the sandstone, and something had to happen to deposit the sand there to make the sandstone. So you're going to be looking at the processes that make those rocks, and you're going to be looking at the processes that make the only real metamorphic rock that we can see in the Glasshouse Mountains here, which is schist. Okay, and it goes along both sides here of our igneous rock. So here's task 3. As you can see here, you've got down here all the different types of rock that I'm going to get you to investigate. I actually meant to add in there your schist, so we'll add in schist as one other line there as you go. You're going to add in some research pictures from this. You can get them either from my Glasshouse Mountains, or you can get that from your own Google searches. Just like you did before, you're going to describe the structures of the rock. Make sure that you pull out your notes that we did in class to help you describe the rock, because in your notes is descriptions of all of the main types of rocks, where we talk about what crystals they have, how hard they are, what grain types they have. All of that sort of stuff is in your notes already, so use them to fill in and describe the structure of the rock based on your pictures. And then you're going to be investigating through your own conclusions and through your research how those rocks were formed, the process by which, say, sandstone was formed. What happened to put the sand there? What happened to turn it into sandstone? You need to explain that here for each one of these rocks. Then before you finish and hand in, you're going to be doing a self-assessment, and again you're going to be, because this is an understanding 1, you're going to be watching the video on how to self-assess understanding 1 and looking at how well you have achieved that, and giving yourself a little mark and justifying what you think you deserve for the work you've put in here. And then you get to hand in task 3 for feedback.